In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import anything into Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll feel confident bringing your data into Zoho without losing context or creating duplicates. First, open your Zoho CRM and head to the Contacts module. You'll find it in the main navigation bar. Even though this walkthrough shows contacts, the import flow is very similar for other modules like leads, accounts, or deals, so the same principles apply. Inside Contacts, look for the small drop-down arrow near the View or Actions menu. Click that to reveal additional tools, then choose Import Contacts. This opens the import wizard, which will guide you through the process step by step. On the first screen, click Browse to locate your file. Zoho supports common formats such as CSV and Excel. For the smoothest results, make sure your file has clear column headers, avoids merged cells, and uses consistent date and phone number formats. If you can, keep one contact per row and remove any extra notes that don't belong in a single field. After selecting your file, proceed and choose the operation Add as New Contacts. This tells Zoho to create brand new records. If your goal were to update existing contacts, you'd choose a different option, but today we're adding new ones. Click Next to move forward. Now you'll map the fields. This is where you match each column from your file to the correct field in Zoho. For example, map first name to first name, last name to last name, and so on. Pay special attention to required fields. Zoho typically requires a last name for contacts. If your file uses different headers, that's fine. Just pair them to the right Zoho fields. For pick lists, make sure your values match the choices in Zoho. For dates, confirm the format aligns with your file. If you see any unmapped columns you don't need, you can leave them unmatched. Take a moment here. Good mapping prevents cleanup later. When everything looks correct, click Next. You'll see final options and a summary of what's about to be imported. This is your chance to double-check counts and spot anything that looks off before committing. Finally, click Finish. Zoho will start the import and may run it in the background if the file is large. You'll get a status update once it's done, along with a report highlighting any rows that were skipped. Review that report to fix formatting or missing data if needed. And that's it. Your contacts are now in Zoho CRM and ready for your team to